In today's video, we are going to cover how to transfer a Wix site to Wix Studio. Start by signing into your Wix account. Once you are in, click your site name and choose Go to All Sites. This opens the Sites page where you can view the sites connected to your account. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until all site cards are visible before moving on. Next, find a specific site you want to transfer. On that site card, click the three-dot menu to open the available options. From that menu, select Transfer Site. This opens the transfer flow for that site, so make sure you are selecting the correct one before continuing. You will then be asked to enter the email address for the Wix Studio account that will receive the site. Type the recipient's email address into the field provided. After that, select who the recipient is. The available choices are client, agency, or freelancer, or someone else. Choose the option that matches the receiving account, then click Continue. On the next screen, set your transfer preferences. Wix will ask whether you want to remain a co-owner after the transfer. Select the option that matches how you want access handled once the ownership changes. If you also want a copy of the site to stay in your account, choose that option here as well. These settings affect what access you keep and whether another version of the site remains with you after the transfer is completed. Once those choices are set, click Continue. You will now see a review screen with the transfer details. Take a moment to look over the recipient information and the options you selected. This is the point where you confirm that ownership is being moved to the new account. When everything looks correct, check the confirmation box acknowledging the ownership transfer. Then click Transfer Ownership. After that, the transfer request is sent to the recipient. The transfer is not fully completed until the recipient accepts it in Wix Studio. The person receiving the site needs to sign in to their Wix Studio account, open the transfer invitation sent by Wix, and accept the invitation. If they are signed into a different Wix account, they should switch to the correct Wix Studio account before accepting, since the site will be transferred into the account that accepts the invitation. Once the invitation has been accepted, the ownership transfer is complete and the site is now in the recipient's Wix Studio account. Your Wix site has now been transferred to Wix Studio and accepted by the new owner.